Windup Toy Demos. Yes, good evening YouTube. I'm back again for another video, and this time we're gonna look at some wind-up toys. Wondering why there's a G.I Joe Snake Eyes here in the video? We're just gonna keep him here for size comparison. Now, let's first take a look at Doraemon. So this is its face. It's a jumping rope guy, Doraemon. So let's wind him up. And okay, so that's what it does. It jump ropes. Okay, so I got this for 20 pesos at the palengke. Next, so this is the size comparison. Let's take a look at Pikachu. Pikachu. Because this came out at the height of Pokemon Go. I love Pokemon Go every day. So this is its face, and this is the back. This is the bottom. I got this also for 20 pesos at the palengke. So let's wind him up. Okay, oh no, I'm sorry. I got this for 50 pesos at a street vendor. So let's walk. Pikachu! Pikachu! Yeah. Okay, so next, let's look at two of them because they're both minions. Okay, Pikachu, you go over there. So for size comparison. Okay, so banana. You can still find these around. I got this for 50 pesos at a street vendor again. So this is the face, and this is the back. Okay, let's wind them up. One more time. Yeah. They're kind of getting busted on camera. Okay, so last but not the least, let's look at a Transformer. And who would forget? Who hasn't forgot the time when the Autobots finally defeated the Decepticons? Optimus Prime did this. There he is. It's Optimus Prime with a drum. Let's wind him up. Now put you guys on the side. Let's put you guys over here. So that's the size comparison, and this is the face, Optimus Prime, and this is the back. Good detail, not. And there's the windshield of the truck. So let's wind him up. Remember that this is what Optimus Prime did when they finally killed Megatron. Okay, and you got the touch. You got the power. Yeah. We jumping rope. Okay, YouTube. So that's the end of my video. And of course, they're crap again. And subscribe for more.